In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to map walks in Apple Maps. If you want to preview a neighborhood or plan a stroll before you head out, Apple Maps has a handy street level experience that lets you virtually walk along the road. A quick heads up, this feature isn't available everywhere. If you don't see what I'm showing on your screen, it may not be supported in your region yet, or you may need to zoom in closer. A solid internet connection and the latest iOS version also help. First, open the Apple Maps app on your iPhone. Give it a second to load your location or navigate to the area you want to explore. You can drag the map with one finger to move around and use the search bar if you need to jump to a specific place. Next, zoom in until you see the small binoculars icon appear in the bottom left corner of the screen. Those binoculars indicate that Apple's look around view is available for the spot you're viewing. Pinch out with two fingers to get closer to street level. The icon will appear as you zoom into supported streets. If it never shows up, try another nearby city or a major landmark where coverage is more common. Keep enlarging the map so you're focused on the exact block or intersection you want. The closer you are, the smoother the virtual walk will feel. You can rotate the map with two fingers if that helps you line up the street in the direction you plan to go. Now, tap the binoculars to open the street level view, then tap in the direction you want to virtually walk. Each tap moves you forward along the road. You can drag left or right to look around, tap distant points to jump ahead, and use on-screen arrows when they appear to follow turns. If you want to adjust your starting spot, drag the small map overlay to a different street and continue tapping to walk from there. Take your time to explore storefronts, trailheads, or crosswalks so you know what to expect in real life. When you're done exploring, tap done in the top right corner to close the view and return to the map. From here you can repeat the process for another street or switch back to regular directions. That's all there is to it. Open maps, zoom until the binoculars appear, enlarge to the spot you care about, tap to walk through it, and hit done when you're finished. Happy exploring!